We have a Disney trip coming up really soon, so I thought I would do a quick video and share some of the outfits we're going to be wearing and also the bags that I'm going to be using. We're going to be staying at the Animal Kingdom Lodge for this trip, and this is the first time we've ever stayed there, so I do have a little bit of an animal theme going on with some of the shirts that I'm bringing. I have this cute little giraffe shirt that I found on Amazon, and I'm probably going to be wearing this one on the way to Disney World. We are driving, so we'll be in the car for most of that day, but we will arrive at Animal Kingdom, and I thought this would just be a cute shirt to wear there. And then I have a few of these Tek Gear quick dry shirts. So this one has this cute little cheetah print. This one I will probably be wearing to Animal Kingdom. I have this pink one with these cute little mini ears. I think this one is going to be an Epcot trip. And then this shirt also came from Amazon. It says, "You've got a friend in me." Of course I'm going to be wearing that to Hollywood Studios. We do have a dining reservation for Woody's Roundup Barbecue, so I'm planning to wear this there. Alright, so next I have another one of those quick dry Tek Gear tops, and this one is also probably going to be for Epcot because we have park hopper tickets, and we're going to go to one park in the morning, take a break midday, and then go to a different park in the evening. So some of the parks we're going to be going to twice. We did this for the first time on our last trip, and it just worked out really well having that midday break, and we usually end up changing clothes during that midday break, so that's why there are extra outfits. I also found this really cute shirt on Amazon as well. I love what it says. I actually bought Kylie one of these too. She has the t-shirt version though, and a lot of these shirts off Amazon come in t-shirt versions, but I just like tank tops, especially in Florida heat. I can't stand things on my arms, so I have the sleeveless versions, and Kylie has the t-shirt version of this. I think this one is going to be for one of our Magic Kingdom trips. And then I have this shirt that I got off Amazon as well. It says "Be Kind." It has a little animal print here to go along with our Animal Kingdom Lodge theme. And this day we're probably just gonna do Disney Springs and Resort Day, so I think I'm gonna wear this shirt for that day. And then I have this cute yellow shirt. It says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes." And I will be wearing this one to Magic Kingdom. And for the bottoms, I just have different color skirts for all the shirts that I've showed you. And then for the last two shirts I just have another one of these quick dry shirts. This is probably for Hollywood Studios. And then I have this Good Vibes shirt, and that's probably for on the way home. So now I'm going to show you the bags that I'm thinking about bringing for park bags. So I have this really cute, freshly picked bag. It could be worn as a belt bag or a crossbody. I actually did a video on this bag recently, so if you want to see more about this bag, you can check out that video. I've been using this as my everyday bag, so it has my wallet and stuff in there currently. I also bought this really cute belt bag. It is by Petunia Pickle Bottom. It has this really cute Pixar print on it. And this one, it has a wristlet strap, but I'm not bringing the wristlet strap. It also has a strap that you can wear it as a belt bag. And then there's also a strap if you just want to wear it as a crossbody bag. So I think I'm going to bring the crossbody strap and the belt bag strap just in case I decide to wear it as a crossbody. I'm probably going to use it as a belt bag, but you never know. So I'm going to bring that. So of course I'm thinking about using this one at Animal Kingdom. And I think I'm going to use this one at Hollywood Studios. Maybe a Magic Kingdom day. I'm not really sure. This one's the smallest of the bag options, so we'll see how it goes. I also have this cute Stitch sling bag as an option. This is obviously bigger. It will hold a lot more stuff, so I may end up using this one a little more. Not sure. I bought this off Amazon. I'll try, if I can find links for these things, I will try to put links down below because You can get all of these from Amazon. I bought this one from Amazon. This one you can get from Shop Disney, from Amazon, from Kohl's.com, a few different places. And this one I bought off of Amazon. And then this one I actually bought from Disney World a couple years ago. And I thought maybe if I wanted a bag with the option of carrying more stuff that I might use this one, because this one has tons of room. So I'm bringing that one just in case. And we're also bringing this Adidas bag. We used this last year when we went. This is great to hold extra items, and it also has these pockets here on the side that are great for water bottles. So he'll probably be bringing that most of the days that we go to the parks, especially the days that I'm wearing these bags, because these aren't going to hold that much, so that will carry all of our extra items. Some of the days that I'm wearing these two, he may not need that one, but we'll see. And like Disney Springs Day, he may not bring that one either. And really quick, these are the outfits I'm going to be bringing for my 11-year-old. There may be a couple more added in just because she can be really messy when she eats, and sometimes she refuses to wear things like these dresses. Hopefully she'll wear them, but there are times where she may refuse to wear something, so I will have extras just in case. But I think these dresses are super cute. I got these from littledressupshop.com, and we've had this Chewbacca one in a smaller size, and she's worn this one before, but I got it in a little bit bigger size so she can wear it one more time. And we have this cute little Mickey dress, and then this Woody one, and then t-shirts of some of her favorite characters. So here are all the outfits our 14-year-old's going to be bringing. She's very much a t-shirt kind of girl, so t-shirts and shorts every day. So here are a couple of the extra bags that I'm bringing. I'm going to have this backpack that I'm going to be keeping near me in the car. It's going to have my laptop in it, some of my toiletries, some cameras and charging cables and things like that. And then this bag is just kind of carrying all of the extra things. There's a bag with sunblock in there. There's a little bag with different medications and band-aids and things like that in there. And once we get to the room and empty this stuff out, this is going to be our pool bag that we're going to use. I'm also going to pack some goggles in here as well. We also have a couple of snack bags that we're bringing, and hopefully this one will be fairly empty when we're coming home, so we can just put in other things like souvenirs and stuff in this for on the way home. And this snack bag is nice because it does have this on the back, so you can slide it on top of a suitcase, so it'll make it a little easier to bring it into the hotel. So I have all the girls' clothes packed up in their suitcases, and this is my suitcase. So I have all my clothes in here. I have an extra pair of shoes that I'm bringing up there. And then in here I have a swimsuit and a swim cover up. And then in this one I have some more shoes. These are like Croc shoes that I will wear to the pool. And then I have these mini ears that I'm going to add in on top. And this is what the Croc sandals looks like. And I have a cute little Mickey and a cute little Minnie on them. So this is everything packed in the suitcase and ready to go. And then in the top pocket I also did just put in this little waist pack that I'm bringing. And there's a laundry bag in here too. See you at Disney World.
See you at Disney World.
There's a giraffe.
Hey, I see sea bugs.
I know, but look over there. There's giraffes over there.